Hello everyone. I have been waiting for this day for a while. It is finally time to pressure wash this Dart. I have not been able to, or didn't want to, because I knew colder temperatures were most likely on the way, and they definitely were. Then I didn't want to risk damaging my pressure washer. But now that hopefully all that really cold weather is gone, it is time to pressure wash. Before I get into that, I wanted to let y'all know that I have changed my merchandise shop to a different company, and was able to get the prices down a little bit. But if you would like a custom Charger 383 Mopar t-shirt with my new logo on it, check out the link in the description. But let's get back into the video. Gonna go walk around first. It's not really too dirty, but it does have some algae spots right there. Gonna have some GoPro action with my pressure washer. It's not really too bad on the grungy side, but one thing I'm really looking forward to is the engine compartment. Seeing all this dirt and debris away from the fender wells and firewall and everywhere I can reach. This engine compartment is going to look freaking awesome when I get done, and I really can't wait. But let's get the GoPro on and get started. Well, here it is, the final product. I know probably could have gotten a little bit more off if I used some soap and a sponge, but this was just a pressure washer wash. Got all the nasty green off of it, so you don't have that anymore. But what I was really looking forward to, the engine compartment. The underside of the hood cleaned up downright beautifully. And everything else cleaned up fairly well too. So this is definitely a lot nicer looking. I didn't worry, I didn't even touch the motor because the motor's so dirty, nasty, greasy that only pulling it out and probably going ahead and rebuilding it, knowing it's the original motor. Going ahead and rebuilding it, and that way I don't have to worry about it. But that's down the road. But yes, everything's clean and pressure washed. Well, there it is. I finish up right as it's starting to rain. But if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want a custom Charger 383 Mopar t-shirt, go check out my shop in the description. So there it is, and I'll see you in the next one.